place is so big, and I do not know where to go. Okay. Just ask someone first. That is all. Excuse me, sir. Can you help me for 1 second, please? Oh. I think he did not hear me. Excuse me, please. I need a little help. Why is nobody stopping? I only need one answer. Excuse me, please, can you help me? Seriously, why is no one listening to me today? I just need one person to stop. Just one. Passport. Ticket. Phone. Yes, everything is here. Fine. Find the right place first.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask you something quickly?
Of course, dear. What do you need?
I need the right check-in counter, but I already feel lost.
Start with the big screen first. Weep at me. It will show your airline.
Thank you, that really helps me.
You will be fine. Just do not rush your thoughts. Okay, now go inside and do the next step slowly. It feels even bigger in here, and I still do not feel calm. Check in first. Just find. I wish I looked that calm. They make this look easy. Do not stop now. Just keep moving. Good. There, just follow that sign. So many counters. Please do not confuse me now. I think this is right. It has to be right. Okay, good. I found the line. Everyone looks so relaxed. Why am I nervous already? Passport. Ticket. Phone, yes, still here. Good morning. Here is my passport and ticket. Okay, that sounds better.
First time alone?
Does it show that clearly?
A little, but you are doing fine.
Thank you. I needed to hear that.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, of course.
Sorry. 1 second. I have them here.
Please be the right line. Please let this go well.
Are you checking this suitcase today?
Yes, I am.
Just place it here, please. Okay.
Please do not be too heavy. I do not need that now. It's fine. The weight is okay.
Oh, good. Thank you. You are all set. Your gate is A12.
A12, okay. Thank you very much.
I think she said A12. I really hope it was A12. Okay, watch first, then do the same thing. Phone, bag, passport. Wait, does this stay with me? Why do simple things feel hard? When people are behind me.
Step through, please.
Okay. I thought that would feel worse. Maybe I am doing okay. Phone, bag, boarding pass. Yes, nothing is missing. Good, that part is done. Nothing bad happened. Gate A12. Just find A12, then stay calm. A12. Where is A12? It says A12. I know it says A12. Excuse me, can you please tell me where gate A12 is?
Sure, it's just down this corridor and to the right. Go straight, then left at the next sign.
Straight?
Then left.
Okay. Straight, then left. Thank you. Good, just keep following the signs.
Attention, passengers. Flight 372. Gate.
Wait. Was that my flight? Ah. Did they say my gate? No. Check the screen. Check the screen now. Where is it? Where is it? Where is my flight? Please be here. A12 was there before. Why does this feel wrong now? Do not guess. Do not stand here. Ask someone proper. Good. Go there. And do not freeze. Just ask clearly. Then listen carefully. Okay. Ask now. Do not get stuck again. Okay. Speak clearly. Do not freeze this time. Excuse me. I need some help, please.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
Thank you.
I think my gate changed, but I am not sure. I heard an announcement, and now I feel confused.
Let me check that for you.
Okay, thank you.
Please let this be simple. Please let me understand it.
Yes, your gate changed a few minutes ago.
It really changed?
Go straight, then right, gate B6, and please go now.
Straight, then right, B6. Okay.
Boarding has started at the new gate.
Oh no! Where do I go? Straight. Then right. Do not forget it. Just keep going. There. That has to be it. Okay. Breathe. You made it. There are you.
Boarding pass, please. Yes. My boarding pass is here. You are just in time.
Thank you. I was so worried.
I was scared the whole time, but I still did it. Goodbye, my friend. My plane is waiting for me. See you in the next video.